once a woman can buy a house, own a car, you'll feel, my brother. There are certain things. Yabona uzodelwa nala uthezodeliver. Yabona lezo zodeliver iland amatafula.
Sure.
Ya masifika la zithi isicelo sign la babumlojo. Maybe zikubiza ngemedi yakho. Yabona ubiza imedi. Sithi ngicela uzosign seziyabona nalezo jole unjefana. Yabo kusasa zileti itafula sezicelo sesicela sign invoice. Nakuba bayabatshela ukuthi tsamanga lo chaka moli. Yo. Gain la paya, you feel, yabo. So women, they'll make you feel. This is my car, this is my house. And then now as a man, you know, melancholy tamalambil shaita for a little guamla. I mean, what drive car I made, made. Now you feel good, you cannot
I wonder what
accept.
the data looks like, the correlation between women that have bought a property and a car, and the probability of them ever getting married.
Probably low. I mean, if you look at the stats now, the women who bought houses and states and flats or moved into flats, most of them are single mothers.
And I remember, you're a man,
So
you're a
there is a
hunter.
correlation there.
You want